In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change board cover in Miro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh the thumbnail that appears for your board in the dashboard and when you share it, so your workspace looks organized and easy to scan at a glance. Start on the board you want to update. Look to the top left corner of the screen and find the board's name. That title isn't just a label, it's also your gateway to board settings. Click the name to open the menu. In that menu, look for the option that says Change Thumbnail. Depending on your view, you might see options related to the preview area instead. Either way, this is where you'll control the image that represents your board. You have 3 simple ways to set your cover. If you already have a picture you love, choose the upload option to pick an image from your computer. Clean, high-contrast images tend to look best at small sizes, and landscape orientation usually fits well. Common formats like JPG or PNG work reliably, and keeping the file size modest helps it load quickly. If you want something fast and consistent, select one of the preset icons provided by Miro. These are a great choice for teams that want a unified look, or for boards that don't need detailed visuals to stand out. If you prefer the cover to reflect actual content from the board, use Select Preview Area. When you choose this, you'll be able to draw a box directly on your board to define the exact area you want to show. Drag the corners or edges to fine-tune the crop, and reposition it until your most important content is front and center. This is especially useful for highlighting a project title, a key diagram, or a status section. Once you've chosen your method, take a moment to review the preview. If something looks off, adjust the crop or pick a different image. When you're satisfied, click Done to apply the change. The new cover will update on your dashboard and in previews shortly. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment or refresh the dashboard view. A quick tip before we wrap up: if you can't find the Change Thumbnail option, double check that you have edit access to the board. View-only access typically won't display customization controls. That's it, you've updated your board cover in Miro. Keep your covers consistent across projects to make navigation easier for you and your team. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.